Well, just got my heater installed. Everything was really easy. They give you a nice template to put it against the wall to level it out, and they have guide holes where you need a mark to drill to put the anchors in. The only thing that I did not like that came in the kit are these anchors. They're so smooth that even if you drill a hole a little bit smaller and push it in, if you even put any pressure into it, these things just slide right out. So luckily I got a little anchor kit I bought at Walmart a long time ago, and I used the yellow ones right there. These are what these look like. They actually have a little lip, so they don't basically will pop through very easy. The drill bit I used is 0.295. Just give you a heads up on that, but overall it works great.
I purchased off of Amazon. I think I'm pronouncing it right. The Dreo heater is awesome. I installed it. It was simple. One drill bit, the butterflies and the screws. Simple. Connected to a regular plug. Add your this one has Wi-Fi on it, so I can, when I'm at work and it's cold, I can turn it on from my.
I think this is the best heater we've bought so far. Works really great, quiet. Can't really tell the heat is on right now.
Oversaw and coordinated a sophisticated plan to overturn the presidential election and prevent the transfer of presidential power.
In the very first hearing, she laid out the theory of the case, right?
I put the little heater in. Seems to be working well.